So it's raining on the island today. Well, actually it has been for about the last month, and what it does is it brings on a lot of fungi on the track and mushrooms, and they're pretty crazy looking. So we're going to go for a fungi hunt. Alright, let's go. Okay, we found our first fungi. Are they fungi or mushrooms?
Well, mushrooms have the umbrella.
Oh yeah.
The walking umbrella.
That's a weird looking one.
There's another one down here. Look.
Oh yeah, bigger one there. So many different varieties. This is where the water gets pumped from here up to the header tanks. Look how much water's running. That's just groundwater. Crazy. Water everywhere at the moment. That's where our water comes into the tank and gets pumped by a solar pump up to the header tanks. It's just overflowing at the moment. Andrew found another one. Oh yeah, that's a cute little one. Cute little mushroom. Tiny little ones. Some more along here too. Some bigger ones. They must be the little miniature ones of these. Mold runs in there. They like it on the banks for some reason. There's a tiny little one. These ones once again on the coconut stuff. Look at these tiny ones. We'll come back tomorrow and they'll be probably about this big, I reckon. They grow fast, these ones. Different ones there. We're going to go up to the lookout. There's usually some up this track. More little miniature, I think they're turkey tails. Some sort of turkey tail. Look at this little red one here. It's tiny. Probably can't see it on the GoPro very good, but little tiny red shiny one. There's actually not many on the lookout track today. Last time we come up here there was a lot. There's a couple of round ones. Look like little puff balls. This is up at the lookout, so let's go and have a look over the edge. Woo! It's pretty windy out there. Little bit wild out there today. Storms brewing on the horizon. These ones are a little bit different. Haven't seen these ones before. A fungi garden here.
Oh, look at that. So beautiful.
There's the gills having a scratch around. Hey gills, what you up to? Maybe they're hunting for fungi. So yeah, there are death adders on the island, and this is perfect country for them. They hide under all these leaves and just like curl up in a ball and have their little tail like this and attract lizards and things, and then they oh yeah, look at this one. Hang on. Andrew just found this one. Wow, it's a bit different. Hiding under the leaves with the death adders. The more you look, the more you find. Look at this one. Different again. I think that's enough fungi hunting for the day. We'll head on home now. Andrea will put up some photos from her phone, because her phone takes really awesome photos. Well, she takes really awesome photos. So anyway, we'll put them up. Till next time, I'll see you then. And just when we thought we were finished walking back to the house, you find more. Like little umbrellas, those ones.